the story of baby Jesus' birth in Bethlehem. A long time ago, in a small town called Bethlehem, something very special happened. A baby was born, but not just any baby. This was baby Jesus, the Son of God. He came to bring love and peace to the whole world. Mary and Joseph, a young couple, were on their way to Bethlehem. Mary was going to have the baby soon, so they needed a place to stay. But the town was very busy and all the rooms were full. Finally, a kind man told them they could stay in a stable, a little barn where animals like cows and sheep lived. So they went to the stable, and that night Mary had baby Jesus. She wrapped him up in a soft cloth and laid him in a manger, a wooden box where animals eat their food. Outside in the fields, there were shepherds taking care of their sheep. Suddenly the sky lit up and an angel appeared. The angel said, "Don't be afraid. I bring good news. A Savior has been born tonight in Bethlehem. You will find him wrapped in cloths and lying in a manger." The shepherds were so excited. They quickly went to Bethlehem, and there they saw baby Jesus with Mary and Joseph, just like the angel said. They knelt down and thanked God for this special baby. Far away, 3 wise men saw a bright star in the sky. They knew this meant that a great king had been born. They followed the star all the way to Bethlehem, riding on their camels through the desert. When they arrived, they brought gifts for baby Jesus: gold, frankincense, and myrrh. They were so happy to see the little king, and they worshipped him. But there was a mean king named Herod. He didn't want anyone else to be called king. When he heard that a baby king had been born, he was very angry. He asked the wise men to tell him where the baby was. But God warned the wise men in a dream not to go back to Herod. So they went home a different way. Mary and Joseph loved baby Jesus very much, and they knew he was a gift from God. Even the animals in the stable, like the gentle cows and the fluffy sheep, seemed to watch over him as he slept in the manger. And so we celebrate the birth of Jesus, the little baby born in Bethlehem, who would grow up to be the Savior of all people. The end.